What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is day 2 of... Come on, Chris. I see you hiding over there. Come here, buddy. Buddy, good morning. Welcome. Good to see you. How you doing?
It's not morning, dude.
It's kind of morning.
No.
All right, day 2 warehouse build. You excited? You ready?
Yeah, let's roll.
All right. We've got my sweet block rocker because, you know, we got to get some tunes in the warehouse until we get some like sound system installed, which I don't really know what we're going to do with that. However many years, this thing's been tossed around, beat around, and it still works like a champ. Are you ready for Home Depot round 2?
Actually, I'll just meet you at the warehouse.
Whoa, where are you going, buddy?
Nowhere.
Well, I guess Chris is going to jump ahead, go to the warehouse, start or finish up, I guess, the casing that we were doing last night. We're going to Home Depot without him. We're gonna get hopefully 5 gallons of paint. We decided on a paint color, I hope it works. Otherwise, if it's too dark, we'll probably have to redo it. But we're gonna go grab that. We've got a really busy day planned today. We've got the cable guy coming to hook up the internet. We've got hopefully my electrician showing up to start figuring out what we're gonna be doing in terms of, you know, getting an outlet put in for Dave's welder and all that set up. We got, I think Duramax BBQ might be stopping by. It's gonna be a pretty busy day. Oh, and then we got a buddy coming over later this afternoon to help start painting. Now, there's something I particularly enjoy about being in a Home Depot parking lot. It's like really good people watching. Because you get some guys that are like ballsier than others and are like, you know, like this guy who's got a, was that a 4x6 sticking out the back there? Probably a solid 8 feet. And I just watched him like sit there and jump and bounce and jiggle on it and give it the jiggle test. And he's like, yeah, screw it. I don't need to tie it down. It ain't going anywhere. I've also definitely been asked more than my fair share by customers in Home Depot how to do something. So apparently looks like I work here. Come on, Chris, your truck doesn't leak oil. Pull that thing in. Chris! Can you pull your truck in, buddy? So, you know, it was nice and like beautiful and sunny today or this morning, and I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna rock the tank top all day. Now it's getting like cold, cloudy, windy.
Oh, I got us a present.
You got us a present? What you got?
Go ahead.
What's in there?
Go ahead.
What do you got? I love presents. Hey, you wrapped it for me and everything? Damn, son! Damn, son! Yeah, buddy. Well, then I got a present for you. I got a 7'8" guy that's on his way here that's really been wanting to play you a game of basketball, buddy. Oh, we've got to have a showdown in the warehouse. Yeah. And we got an official ball too. Dude, this is like stepping it up, you know, in the garage. We got the little one with the little ball.
Yeah.
You get a bigger garage, you get a bigger hoop and a bigger ball.
Yeah, made in the USA.
Nice work, buddy. Nice work.
Yep.
Well, hey, howdy. Yeah, car cable? Yeah. I don't know, man. It just doesn't look right having a Ford in here, you know?
What's that?
Just doesn't look right having a Ford in here.
No,
Stick with GM.
Yep.
GM garage. All right, well, sweet. We got the cable guy here. They're gonna get the internet all thrown in for us. Pull the truck in here. Well, dude, where are we gonna put the basketball hoop? What are you thinking?
I was thinking on that side over there.
You want it down there on that side?
Yep.
Little half court, or?
Yeah.
I mean, we could put it like right there, and then we put one on the door, and we got a full court.
It's true. It's true.
Huh?
Yeah, I think this side.
You think that side?
Yep.
And then we'll park your truck right underneath it, right?
Sure.
All right. Oh! That is my Marcella, all 8'9" in this corner. Yeah, we ain't messing around, buddy. We ain't messing around.
Yes!
What's up, buddy? World, you guys might remember the world famous 94'8", 962,
Like
12 inches.
10 inches!
One of the few guys that makes Chris feel short. Mr.
Yes.
Marcella Electric himself.
Not much, man.
Look what Chris surprised me with for the warehouse.
Dude, that is super surprise status.
And he didn't even know you were coming either, right? I said, you better put that thing together. So Chris and Aaron here have been, well, Chris has been calling out Aaron for the longest time on a game of basketball because Chris has always been the giant around us, and he could probably school us in basketball. But then we got, I mean, I don't want to say where my money's at, but it's, yeah. Sorry, buddy. The real reason Aaron's here is because, you know, obviously Well, we love him, and we haven't seen him in a long time.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah, and we need to get an outlet put in so we can hook up a welder here in the shop. So I think right over here is a nice place for it. We can work with that, right?
Zinsko, one of the finest, oldest panels there is.
See, that's why I called you, buddy.
You know?
I can sit here and electrocute myself, or I can call you. Sounds like a lot more fun.
The good thing is, we can upgrade her.
You complaining about my low ceilings, buddy. I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you. See, if you're gonna be an electrician, make sure you're as tall as our good buddy here. Shoot, we're gonna have to feature you on the podcast, dude. Self-made. I mean,
all right.
I would tell the story. I mean, they might have already heard a little bit.
I think a little.
We got our licenses together.
We did.
We met.
Same freaking class.
We met getting our licenses together. So yeah,
there was always something special about this guy.
You too.
I knew it.
Even though you shaved the beard. So, I mean, I'm not gonna give away any secrets here, Aaron, but
No secrets.
you know, we just got the cool warehouse. My buddy here just dropped on me. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Like, there's always opportunities for money. I think if you guys remember him from old videos, he has this old like 1970s RV that he Airbnbs, right? And makes money. Like, it's a profitable thing.
It is.
Well, he just stepped his game up big time, and we've got some plans right here for.
You can show him.
We don't want to show addresses.
All right.
I already showed Dave's credit card accidentally. We had to get that canceled. But he just showed me plans right now for 3 additional buildings on his property, 2 of which are going to be additional residences on top of him living there. Now he's going to have 2 rentals plus another garage. Like, big time, brother. That's what I like to see. You know, hang around with good people who share your dreams, share your ambitions, want to grow. Like, the rest is history, right? And we're going to get shit built for him. Let's do it, buddy.
You can show him this.
Expedite.
We will expedite.
Look at that, buddy. Look at that.
Buddy.
From single family homeowner to triplex. Look at that. Heck yeah, dude. I'm stoked for you, buddy. And Chris is gonna move in.
Yep. That's my room right there.
Oh, that's you're only renting a room?
You already called it.
There's 2 houses he's building. You're gonna rent a room?
I just want a room.
You just want a room? Yeah. All right. Dude, look at this guy.
What's up, man?
Woo!
Fresh fade.
I gotta go to your barber. Well, I don't know. He took a little too much off the face.
That was my fault.
Oh, okay. What? Dang. All right, buddy. It says less than an hour to put it together. You got it?
You got it.
What?
I bought it, you put it together.
We got our guest star Ryan here today. What's up, buddy?
We can get it done.
All right. Chris,
45 minutes.
Chris, you go handle the trim. So apparently Chris didn't realize there's a wall mount bracket for this thing, and the bolts that come with it are meant to go through the wall bracket, then through the backboard, and yeah, well, without the wall bracket, they're too long. So we need to go get some shorter bolts for this thing, and then I think we're just gonna like 3-inch screw it to a stud and say screw it, right, buddy?
Yep.
If it ain't ghetto, it ain't cool, right?
I mean, dude, I got the cordless 18 gauge, dude. I mean,
Oh, you just want to 18 gauge it?
18 gauges.
No. So we're going to get some new bolts. You know, Chris kind of forgot that part. That's what happens when you buy half the basketball hoop. Oh well, regardless. Chris is gonna stay back at the shop. That's a Colorado right there. Look at those mud flaps. Yeah, California compliant. Yeah. Oh, that's a good looking 7.3 in the window over there. Or is it? It's a 5/16, huh? I bet you that would work. All right, well, almost the whole day is gone. We've got 2 trips to the store. Oh, thank you.
Orange on the floor.
Orange on the floor. 2 trips to the store. 0 painting has been done. Chris trimmed out like 2 doors, and then I guess we got totally sidetracked by needing to put up a basketball hoop. We got our priorities right. You're YouTubing now, Sam? Yeah. Look at that, buddy. Whoa. What's up, Sam? Good to see you, buddy. How's that camera feel in your hand, huh?
Hi, how are you?
It's a good workout, right?
Exactly, man.
Nice, buddy. Sam is a big fan of the channel. No, come on, Sam. You're a big fan of the channel, buddy. Say hi to everybody.
Exactly, hi.
It's good to have you here, buddy. You ready to help me out?
Me too.
Finally get this place painted for me? What do you think? You
yeah,
like
yeah.
the place? Nice place?
Oh yeah, this one is like too big, it's very good, you know?
Too big.
We're gonna enjoy here.
Nice, there you go. All right, guys, let's get rid of this stupid cabinet. That makes no sense in the middle of the room. I was 2 inches tall. Trying Try and lift it up and come out my way. There we go. There we go. Teamwork makes the dream work. No, my buddy Sam's still painting. We're working on some blackout shades right now. So we're thinking that the podcast studio is going to be against that back wall over there, so we don't want any light coming in from this side window. So we're trying to really black everything out here. It's a little bit of a challenge, but I think we got an idea. So I've been over dealing with the blinds guy, getting these blinds all figured out and, getting them quoted. And, I thought I would have had a basketball hoop up on the wall by now, but these guys were having a bro moment or something. I don't know. What happened, guys? What happened?
We're just hanging out.
We're just, Hey, buddy,
at work, loving on each other.
Yep.
Oh, you guys are loving on each other. All right, Chris's first shot. Really? Come on, buddy. In the hoop. In the hoop. Nothing but net. All right, Ryan's first shot.
Let's see if I can't screw this one up.
Everybody's gonna make fun of me. Nope. That's probably better than my first shot.
Yeah, we'll see it.
Hey!
Your turn, buddy.
Is this regulation height?
It's 10 feet.
Allegedly, that's tall.
Easy.
Oh! We've lost the rest of the crew. Everybody else went home. Me and Sam, the late night troopers, right, buddy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Brand new room.
Right? Woo! Looks good. I like this color, huh? Looks perfect with the
Looking
floors.
very nice for the floor.
Yeah.
Exactly.
The black doors are gonna look good.
Yeah. After we paint it,
Yeah. I'm happy with it. You happy with it?
I'm super happy.
Yeah.
It's different. I don't like sweet coffee.
Yeah,
That's
right
very
now.
old.
I can't stand that color. Sweet, I am super stoked to see this place starting to come together. Let's kill some lights here. And I don't know if you guys could see it on Chris's face, but he is so beyond stoked to have that basketball hoop back there. Chris is, he's been a big fan of basketball, or at least playing basketball. I don't think he watches basketball, but he has loved playing basketball forever, and obviously hasn't had a hoop forever, so he is excited to get this back. And because we're just gonna honor Chris's excitement here, if I make this shot, the first 5 comments on here get free decals. Let's see. I tried. Well, with that, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully, like I said in the last video, you guys are enjoying the warehouse build being kind of our new build for a little while until we get this thing all dialed in, and then hopefully we'll have another truck build by then. Hopefully we find an LBZ by then. But if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button now that we do not miss out on any future content and what we're gonna do with this place. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. Catch you in the next video. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah.